What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jake's almost out of work. We're going to go over there and work on the E46. I do have rear calipers. We're definitely going to get the one side done that the caliper was seized, which is the passenger side. Depending on how long that takes, we'll get the other side done also. I've never replaced calipers or bled a brake system before, so this is going to be a learning experience for me, so it should be interesting. So let's head over there. To invest in hex key sockets. Alright, so got the old one off. Basically, this piston right here was so rusted that when I put new pads on, it wouldn't press in far enough to get both new pads in. So that's why I had to buy calipers. So now we're gonna get this new bad lad on. Good morning. So last night we got the passenger side rear caliper all taken care of. I was tearing apart the driver's side and I got all the way to getting the brake line off the caliper and it wasn't coming off. I was just starting to round out that nut, so decided we'll hold off on that until I eventually upgrade to stainless steel braided brake lines, which I plan on doing in the future anyways, but it is what it is for right now. Car has rear brakes. So the next thing we have to do on the E46 is the cooling system. I was going to go with a Chase Bay's tucked radiator, but unfortunately I didn't go that route just because of at the time that I ordered a radiator, financial future was kind of unpredictable because of everything going on in the world right now. I ended up going with a CSF Performance all aluminum radiator. So we've got that. Got a new water pump with a metal impeller, aluminum water pump pulley. I was looking for a thermostat with a metal housing, but I could not find one anywhere online. So if you guys know anywhere I can order one, if you could leave a link in the comments down below, I would greatly appreciate that. That being said, if you guys want to see a video on the cooling system, comment down below and let us know. We'll make a video on that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel, trying to better ourselves and better the content for you guys. So if you have any constructive criticism, anything you disliked about this video at all, please comment down below, let us know. We want to better the viewer experience. A couple of the projects we've got going on right now, we've got the LS Swap Street Strip Ranger, we've got the Turbo LS Swap S13, we've got the E46 that's just now getting to where we're actually going to start to modify it, Jake's Outback Daily. So now that all that's said, hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.